Hey y'all, it's me again. Hey, okay. I'm back and today I'm gonna be unboxing two pairs of sneakers here as per the title. So here it is. Yeah. Okay. Okay. A second, I'm just gonna adjust my hair. Okay, so yeah, these are the sneakers that I got. I ordered them from StockX, and I know I paid an outrageous price for them, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, and then okay, so let me just unbox them first for you guys. But wait, let me take a thumbnail quickly. Okay, so the first pair I actually already unboxed, and they're right here. These are the Dunk Low Georgetowns, and I actually still have the tag on it. I haven't taken it off yet for some reason. So yeah, here's the tag. Verified, and I think I've like worn these twice already. They're comfy, and the quality is like not that great, but I mean, what do you expect for like for a $100 shoe? But I did pay $250 for these Canadian. I know, crazy. Actually, no, I think I paid $298. Whoa, okay. So yeah, so the colorway is like a gray and a navy blue. Okay, so yeah, and then I got these in a size 5.5 youth. Yeah, a size for a 5.5 youth. Because I normally do get grade school sneakers because they're cheaper, and because I have like small feet. So yeah, the box it came with the verification thing, which that is pretty much it. The standard Nike box. I'll put that over here, and then this second pair I got, I still haven't unboxed yet. I'm excited for these. Yeah, okay, so these are the Syracuses. They came out like in like May 2021, I believe. I've wanted them for a long time now. But yeah, I know these are not really like a winter shoe, but I'm still gonna wear them. Also, when spring comes, it's gonna be perfect. So, okay, so I have the tag thingy here. Wait, let me just cover it because I don't want people to see my address. But yeah, here is the tag thing. They always the shoes always come. The shoes come with, and this is how it looks like. They look clean. Like, this is a clean colorway. Though I think I might change out. Okay, wait. Let me just take it out first. Okay, so I think I'm gonna change the laces to a cream lace because I feel like the orange lace is a bit too out there for me, like my personal taste. I'm probably gonna change it out to a cream that's kind of similar to my top or maybe a bit darker. So yeah, but then it comes with a tay obviously, and then yeah, these are clean looking. I wanted dunk highs for a long time now. I was gonna get the pandas, but I feel like everyone has them, but I do still want the UNC lows. I might get that for my birthday or Christmas, or I might get the Bordeaux dunks or something. Yeah, but yeah, yeah, or the Spartan green dunks because I love green. So yeah, here's the shoe. I'm sorry, I'm talking so much. Actually, why am I apologizing? Probably because I'm Canadian. So yeah, and the tongue, it's also orange. Yeah. Okay. They look great. I am definitely gonna change out the laces. I've been trying to find like the perfect lace, but I might buy it off of this YouTuber. I think his name is Josh or something, Josh Dominic, and he has like a sneaker, like a shoelace brand, so I might buy those. So yeah, I will try these on for you guys, even though my outfit today does not really coordinate with the shoes. I'll still try them on for you guys on feet. And how would I style these? Not with the outfit I'm wearing now, because personally I feel like dunks don't look that great with sweatpants. Well, I guess it depends. I think it looks better with cargo pants. Like, I got these cargo pants to go with my shoes. These are the Dickies modern classic scrub pants, and then it has like the logo on the side, and these are only I think $22 Canadian, which is a steal, and they're so soft too. And it's kind of like a pseudo cargo track pants, so it's like cargo and a track pant in one. So I'm sorry, I'm like so yeah, yeah, I'm gonna pair these with those and see. I'm gonna do a little try on right now if you guys don't mind. Okay. And these are the Syracuses on feet. They look pretty sweet. Yeah, these are the Syracuses, and check out how these like go with the cargo pants so well. Like, what? Yeah. So yeah, I am loving these Syracuses. I actually didn't think I would like them this much. I love them, fam. I'm so happy. Okay, so now these are the cargo pants that I showed you guys on the side. I think they look pretty fire with these shoes. They look fiend and fire. So yeah, I love these so much. These pants, I'm definitely gonna get more colors. Yeah. Yo, ignore that, but yeah. Yeah. Love it. Okay. So here they are. On feet, I personally don't really like the look of sweatpants with them, but they look okay with this pair. As you can see, let's adjust that a bit. So yeah, my feet are pretty small. So yeah, they look great though. Ignore the background, sorry. So yeah, bam. Okay, I'm just kidding, but yeah, these are what they look like with sweatpants on. These are the boyfriend TNA sweatpants, I believe. So yeah,